I found a really cool accessory on AliExpress and ended up buying it. This cap here, which is a replica of the Porsche fuel cap. And this one here is my original Audi A3 cap that I took off the car to show you. I'm going to show you some differences between them here. Okay, let's go. First you'll see the difference here. The original, all black, ugly as hell, made of plastic, very poorly made, okay? Very porous. And the Porsche replica, which is this one here. This one is Porsche replica style. It comes in brushed steel, very nice, okay? It comes with nice writing here. There's the option with the Porsche writing and the one without Porsche writing. The back part is also different. The fitting is the same, okay? But the back part is very different. If you look at the sealing rubber of the original, mine I think was already a bit worn, so it was already without pressure. The new one already comes with a much larger rubber seal there, to provide good pressure and close it properly, right? To seal it well. And the back of one is green and the other is black. This part of this cord here, okay? This new one comes with 3 cords like this. In case yours is broken, you can replace it with a new one. Its size and pattern are exactly the original. Perfect fit of the original, okay? Same style of fit. And I also ended up bringing 2. A friend of mine wanted one, but then he changed his mind. So I'm going to leave this one up for sale, okay? I have one in my car and this one I'm going to leave up for sale. Remember that I don't sell accessories. I'm only passing this one on because my friend changed his mind. So I'm going to leave it up for sale because it doesn't make sense for me to have 2, right? But I'll also leave you the link so you can buy it on the website. Just a reminder that I'm not a seller, so I'm only indicating where you can buy it, which is directly from China, okay? It has a very good cost-benefit ratio, very nice, very cheap, and it's worthwhile for people who like to have something different, right? Something more beautiful and with a good cost-benefit ratio. I think it's worth it, okay? So I'll leave the link below in the description. And for those who don't want to bring it from China, right? For those who don't want to buy from China, this is the only extra one I brought that I'll end up selling to you because a friend decided not to buy it, but I'll only have this one. So there's no point in calling me in 2 or 3 months. Because people usually don't see the video date, right? And say, oh, that lid is available, because it will probably sell very quickly. Okay, guys? So that's it. I hope you like it. The lid has a very good finish and is very worthwhile.